Children,
Good afternoon, teacher.
how are you?
I am fine.
Now, there are some letters are there. You have to make a word with that letters and write here. Okay, Shafia? Make a word top. Top. Read the word. Write the word. Good. Anam, make a word cat. Tell the sound. Write the word. Kashaf, make a word top. Stick there.
Top.
Write the word top. Muskan, make a word pot. Write the word pot here. Afra, make a word cat. Write the word cat. Khadija, make the word cot. Write the word. Write. Make a word tap. Tell the sound. Write the word tap. Kansa, make a word top. Tell the sound. Write the word. Kansa, make a word pot. Write the word pot. Sarah, make a word top. Write the word top. Humera, make a word cap. Write the word. Write the word cap.